Alright, so in a little less than 2 days, printed at, I believe it is 0.17 resolution. We've got our salt and nutritional yeast seasoning shakers. They fit really nicely. Still got a little bit of play. Those come out really easy. I really like it. Alright, and finally, after a thorough washing inside and out with soap, etc., it's on the table and it looks good. The reason we went with these colors is because that is the theme in our kitchen, so it goes really well. And let me show you what I've got in the blue. Got the Bragg nutritional yeast seasoning. In case you don't know what it is, this is what it is. And with the holes, bigger holes, it'll come out nice and easy. And then in the salt shaker, good old Himalayan crystal salt also comes out really well. And yes.
Alright, so a lot of people ask for settings on prints, and this is my high resolution profile for decent quality with the, or I should say good quality, with the CC3D silk filaments. I've been using this profile for a while and it's been very good. So if you just want to take a look, you can change the layer height and keep everything else pretty much the same. So it doesn't have to be the 0.17. You can change it to 0.2, 0.28, whatever you want to use. You can change the layer height, but everything else is going to be pretty much the same. I don't print thin walls usually. You can change the infill as well to more or less, but everything else you want to keep the same. I found that the CC3D silk works best at 199. You can even go to maybe 203 if it doesn't have moving parts, and it'll be all right. But anytime you get over this number, you start to get stringing really bad. It's rated at 195. So I found, you know, low and slow right here, low and slow, that's what I'm going to be calling my printer. This is what works the best. You also want to start your initial layers very slow, and they recommend, you know, 60 degrees. I bump it up to 64 and I have had no problems with it sticking to my build plate. And obviously I do not recommend using graphs or any of that stuff. I mean, you can if you want, that's up to you, it'll still work. Combing mode, this is really cool when you're doing cylindricals like this, because you can get stringing going like this from in to out, but with combing mode it only stays out here. It does not go in here on both of the prints. So you get a really good quality print. So there you go. You guys can obviously pause the video to take a look at everything. But there are my settings for you to use. I hope it helps you print better. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.